God, get the fuck out of the lane. Fuck.
You convinced somebody to let going because everyone was gone, and now you're like, oh, back on lockdown.
Yeah, I also noticed that more people started coming back to work, and that started making me nervous again too, Joe. So here I am back at home again. And I'll probably be here for a week or two anyway. So it's kind of how it works, and everybody's just going to have to measure their own risk level while trying to be as careful as possible. That's how we do going forward. What else to say? All right, coming up in just a moment, we will return to our regularly scheduled sports program here and speak with Bob Pockrass, our NASCAR reporter for Fox Sports. He was around everything that happened yesterday. We'll get his bird's eye view on all the things that happened in Talladega around Bubba Wallace and what a crazy time it's been for NASCAR within the last 48 hours in the midst of everything else that's been going on in our world. We'll do it all next as we continue the Fan Morning Show right here on 93.5 and 107.5 The Fan.
The Ride with JMV. It's our friend Robin Miller. What's the worst thing that you ever had? Like your worst one-liner for any driver ever?
Perfect stuff. Keith Badger, my buddy, worked at Andretti for 30 years, called me Good Thing Miller. I got a new nickname for Parker Johnson. What's that bad? He said Sandwich. I said, why do we call him Sandwich? He goes, it's the furthest thing from a driver there is.
The Ride with JMV. Weekdays 3 till 6 on 93.5 and 107.5 The Fan. All right, Kelly is the home loan expert, and he's busy right now helping folks with loans. You get a hold of him this morning at 317-550-1515 or just go to homeloanexpert.com. Submit a little bit of information he needs. Basically, what your current mortgage situation is, how long you've been paying on it, what your rate is, and then he'll go back through it. He also will probably want to know if you have any military or anything like that you might qualify for the hero loan, which is the best loan out there available that anyone of you can apply for that. And then that's excellent. But Ryan will go ahead and with a fine-tooth comb, after he gets that little bit of information from you, go through, find out some options. Not one, not something he's trying to sell you. No, options that might be something that you're looking at. And then he will take the time. This 5-minute loan approval is only available from the homeloanexpert.com. And then this afternoon, he'll give you a call back. He'll explain it to you. And then you together can make a decision on the best thing for you. And maybe the decision is not to do it. That's all right, right? There's no obligation whatsoever and no cost to you to do this. But if you do a refinance with Ryan, I've done 2 of them myself.
Do it, right.
Hundreds and hundreds of dollars, thousands over the year. 10,500 was the last one he did for me a couple of months ago. Digital mortgage, closed in 14 days, skipped a couple of months payments, no out-of-pocket costs, all these kind of great things. And interest rates are really low right now, so it makes a lot of sense to go ahead and do this. Check it out and certainly get Ryan online on your team too. If you're looking to buy a brand new home, Ryan can help you. 317-550-1515 or thehomeloanexpert.com.
Sports Center, WFNI, WIDC, HD2, W298, BD, WIDC, HD3, W228CX, Indianapolis.
Hey, it's JMB. Later on today, 3 o'clock, Greg Rakestraw is with us from NASCAR. It's Ryan Blaney. John Clayton talks some NFL with us too. It's later on today after 3. Be here.
It's the Fan Morning Show.
Excuse me. Excuse me.